In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team in Jira, a powerful tool used to manage projects and collaborate efficiently. Whether you're working on a small project or handling a large team, this is an essential skill to know. So, let's get started. First, go ahead and log in to your Jira Cloud account. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your main workspace where you can see your projects, tasks, and overall activity. Take a moment to get familiar with this layout because you'll be using it often. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where the main navigation menu is located. Scroll through the options until you find the section labeled Teams. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Team Management area where you can view existing teams or create a new one. Once you're in the Teams section, look for the button that says Create Team. Click on it to begin the setup process. A new window or panel will appear prompting you to enter details for your team. Start by entering a team name. Make sure it's something clear and descriptive so it's easy to recognize later. For example, you could name it based on your department, project, or function, like marketing team or development team. Choosing the right name helps keep everything organized, especially if you're managing multiple teams. Next, you'll need to add members to your team. You can do this by typing in their names or email addresses. Jira will usually suggest users from your organization, making this step quick and easy. As you add members, think about their roles and responsibilities to ensure your team is structured effectively. After adding your team members and reviewing the details, you're ready for the final step. Simply click on the Create button. Once you do this, your team will be successfully created and ready to use within Jira. From here, you can start assigning tasks, managing workflows, and collaborating more efficiently with your team. Creating a well-structured team is the first step towards better project management and smoother communication. And that's it. You've successfully created a team in Jira. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.